For the filter to work, I need the date to be numbers only. Hello, and welcome to part 5. Right under the timestamp, I'm going to type equals filter, open parentheses, and for the range, I'm going to select everything in the log. For the condition, I'm going to use the text formula to format the date into numbers only, and I'm going to select the whole timestamp column in the log tab. For the format, I'm going to use 2 numbers for the month, 2 numbers for the day, and 4 numbers for the year. I'm going to close my text formula, and I need to make that equal to the date I want to filter by. So I'm going to put equals, and I'm going to type text again. Same thing, I'm going to select the date that I want to filter by, and I'm going to use the same formatting number. Unfortunately, this caused an error, but that is because I typed in the wrong date and the wrong year. I'm going to change it from 22 to 21. Now that it works, let's take it to the next level.